Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make the moving zoom picture edit on CapCut. So first, you need to add a picture on CapCut, and after that, you just need to click on the picture and add a keyframe at the beginning, and then move forward a bit, and after that, you can either move or zoom the picture, or you can do both. So I'm going to zoom first. Then I'm going to move it slightly to the left like this, and then after that you can just move it again, and then I'm going to move it down like this, then move again, and I'm going to zoom again and bring it to the center like this, and then you can just actually move it around anywhere you like. And I'm going to zoom out now. Okay, I'm going to move it in here like this, and last I'm going to make it to the original photo like that. Okay, now I'm done, and here is the final result for the moving zoom picture edit. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.